Next, we drew a little lower hammer, which indicates a reversal. We wait for the trade to close and take our profit. Now, let's see how this situation plays out in practice. Hey everyone, my name is Mary and I'm a trader. Today we'll talk about support and resistance levels, pullbacks and breakouts. And of course, I'll show you all of this in action. Subscribe to my Telegram channel where I conduct live trading sessions with my subscribers. Join my community because I'm the best trader. What are support and resistance levels? They help traders understand when it's good time to buy a declining asset and when to sell it. Support and resistance levels reflect the highest and lowest points on the price chart. These peak price values can be considered the foundation of trading. They reflect the law of supply and demand. Traders who rely on support and resistance levels use strategies for both rebounds and breakouts. Pullbacks. When the price approaches levels from which it has rebounded in the past, it may bounce again, thus forming a price channel. In addition to horizontal levels, there are also sloping levels called trend lines. Trend lines indicate the direction of price movement. They are drawn from specific peak maximum values of a descending trend and minimum values of an ascending trend. It is also possible for an old resistance level to turn into a new support line when the price of the asset is rising and vice versa when the price is falling. A correction in the trend direction can indicate a specific signal. If the pullback is strong and the price breaks the trend support, traders apply a breakout strategy. Breakouts. Breaking through support and resistance levels can sometimes indicate an opportunity to take advantage of a strong trend. It is worth noting that this technique is more challenging than the previous one because traders need to almost constantly monitor the market to not miss the entry point. Many traders take advantage of breakouts by not entering immediately, but waiting for a pullback after the breakout and only then entering the market. Now, let's see how this situation plays out in practice. The currency pair Australian dollar and US dollar, let's enter the trade immediately. We will enter for 5 minutes with $300, entering for an upward movement, and let's go back to analyzing what we see here. The first thing we see is a support zone. It's a pretty good zone. Let's draw it more neatly. Below we see a formation called a hammer. It also indicates a reversal of our trend, meaning we had a very strong decline. Let's see how much we fell. We fell by 0.24%, which is quite significant for the Forex market. Next, we drew a little lower hammer, which indicates a reversal because there are no more sellers below and there are no more sellers below. And also our RSI is at the level of 20. We can see that it constantly stays in the oversold region and it's time to exit. At least we have confirmation. The first is the hammer, the second is the support zone that we'll see, and the third is an RSI. So all that's left for us is to wait for 5 minutes and wait for the ideal closing of this trade and profit. Right now we see the trade is going in the positive direction. And we wait for the situation to fully play out. Previously, there was a breakout of this level right here. However, it was very weak. I didn't really believe in it, so it didn't make sense to enter here because it's a maximum local level, a very bad one, very weak. So in such situations, it is not recommended to enter at all. Now we see a very strong market reaction. We started to make an upward impulse. We see that the trade is going very well in profit. If we look at other currency pairs, we can see the same impulse and then a pullback follows. Therefore, we wait for the trade to close and take our profit. We have only 6 seconds left, 5 until the end of the trade. the final push, the final impulse, and the trade closes with a quite confident and good profit. As we can see, the zone worked perfectly. Now I'm waiting. Approaching at least the 50% level, approaching approximately here according to Fibonacci, and further reversal. Let's see how it goes. Nevertheless, we see that support levels have worked and are working and will always work. Thank you for your attention. I'm glad that you've watched this video up to this point, so you just have to like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel, where I conduct live sessions with my subscribers. My name is Mary, and I'm the trader, the best trader.